Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a mental health Tablescape challenge for 2020, and it's hosted by DIYDesignByCCW, and that is Candy's channel. And I'm going to go ahead and list Candy's channel along with the playlist down below in the description box. So make sure you go check out her channel along with the complete playlist and go and help support everyone who's participating in this challenge, and let's bring some awareness to this issue. Now, one of the rules for this challenge is to use one of the colors that represent mental health. And those colors are silver or gray, or else blue or green. And Candy asked us to use one of those colors or a combination of those colors, whatever we'd like to do. So I chose to use green as my main color. And as you can see here, I used a lot of the green, and holding up my candlesticks here, I have a little bit of an iridescent glass that I just flipped upside down and put my little candle holders up on top of it. And I also have an iridescent bowl holding up my centerpiece, and that iridescence has a lot of blue in it. So I brought in just a touch of the blue throughout that, but my main color is obviously the green. Let me show you what I did. I begin with this Dollar Tree placemat that's in green. Then I do bring in the silver color in my flatware, which I just laid here on top of my napkin, which I folded. I'm not using any napkin holder. I just simply folded my napkin and then placed my silverware on top of it. Now I have my stemware here, and I have my green stemware, which I picked up from Dollar Tree, and then my clear-cut crystal stemware, which was gifted to me several years ago. Now on top of my green placemat, I'm going to go ahead and add this white plate, this white dinner plate, and I just picked that up at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to scooch this fork in just a little bit. Good. Now, on top of my white dinner plate, I'm going to place this green salad plate. Just like that. And that is bringing in the green and the silver colors for our mental health awareness. Now, I could have used a charger, but I really wanted to showcase that green, so I decided not to use a charger on this tablescape. Now, hopefully you can see the iridescence of the bowl actually holding up my centerpiece, and the blues that are in the iridescent. I have my table setting for 2. Here's a little closer look at my clear-cut crystal glass. And then I have this little glass tray down here on the table in front of my centerpiece. If you're interested in my centerpiece, I'll have a link up above, and you can watch a video I did last week on how to make this. This is a knockoff centerpiece from Pier 1 Imports. Now, this challenge is all about mental health, and there are 10 common types of mental health. And I'm sure you probably know somebody who is suffering with one of these types. There's anything from anxiety disorder to schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, psychosis, autism spectrum disorder, major depression disorder, kleptomania, panic attack, borderline personality disorder, or schizoaffective disorder. There are 10 common types of mental illness disorders, and that's just amazing how many different types there are. And so anything that we can do to help bring awareness to this subject, to help these people who are suffering with this, or to their families, because people realize that people suffering this really need help, but a lot of times people don't realize how hard it is on the families. So keep the families in mind as well. And anything that we can do to help bring awareness to this subject, it is definitely worth it. I absolutely love the centerpiece with the green. I just think that's such a romantic look, but it also is very Victorian in the color scheme. I really like that, the green and the pink. You can see even down here on this tray, it has a faint pink to the roses on the tray, and then a faint green to the leaves on the tray there. I think you can see a little bit better from this angle, the blue tinge to the iridescent of the cups, the iridescent cups that I flipped upside down and put my candles on top of. And then I have the iridescent bowl right here that I actually have my centerpiece sitting on. And I picked those up at Walmart. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.